Hi guys, and welcome to this Pilates ball ab workout. A Pilates ball or physio ball is one of my favorite props to use in a Pilates class. It really helps to destabilize you and work into those deep core muscles. So if you have a Pilates ball, grab it. If not, watch the video, invest in a Pilates ball, and just make sure that it's blown up to about 85%, so it's still a little bit squishy. You don't want it to be completely blown up. So pause the video, do a quick warm up, and let's get ready to go. Let's start by lying down on your mat with your legs bent, feet flat on the floor. Then from here, I just want you to lift your hips off the floor and place that ball underneath your sacrum, about where your tailbone is. So when you lower your hips back down, you have a little bit of your glutes hanging off of it. Now I want you to glide your bottom ribs to hips so you close that gap, so that we've taken out the arch in the lower back, so that way your lower back feels lengthened and flat. Then place your hands down. You're going to inhale and exhale, lift one leg up to tabletop. Inhale, exhale, lift the other leg. Flex the feet. Press that right thigh away and bring it back in. Exhale, press that left thigh away. Bring it back in. Now make sure that you keep the lower back feeling flat and then it doesn't start to arch as you press that thigh away. Keep the shape through the leg. Watch that the leg, watch that you don't just drop the heel to the glute. You press those thighs away and you're going to feel your deep core engaging. So use a strong exhale out through pursed lips. Now you can either stay here, or if you want to advance this movement, reach those hands up to the ceiling. You'll feel a little wobbly at first. Just give yourself a moment to get used to that sensation, having to really switch that core on so you don't roll off your ball. Let's just do a few more here. You have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go ahead and place those hands back down, point your toes. Now bring one knee into your chest, stretch the other leg long, and then switch legs. So we're gonna bring it into a single leg stretch here. So we switch and change, and change, and change. Shh, 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 shh. Keep reaching those bottom ribs to hips. In 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring those knees in. Now we're gonna press those thighs away, then bring them in. So it's not a huge movement here as we press those thighs away. Now you can either stay here or press those thighs away and then add a little tiny reverse curl, like you're trying to lift those hips off your ball, but you have a nice slow, controlled landing. You'll really feel those lower abs engaging here. Lower those hips slowly back down onto the ball. Good job, you guys. You have 4 more. Good, give me 1 more. And bring one leg back down to the floor and then the other. Pick those hips up, release the ball. Now you're going to bring those legs back up to tabletop, one leg up and then the other. Place that ball in between your ankles here. Now, from here, we're going to do a double leg stretch. You're gonna curl your head, neck, and shoulders off the floor, reaching your hands to your ankles, reaching those arms and legs long, circling it around and in. Reaching arms and legs long, arms reach overhead, circle them around and in. Keep pressing that lower back into the floor, circle it around and in. Stretch it away, bring it back in. Stretch and reach, circle it in. Stretch and reach, circle it in. Keep it going. Keep those shoulder blades just off the floor. Hold that last one in that hollow hold. Hold it there. Now I want you to start squeezing that ball. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in, lower it down. Now place that ball in between those knees. Now from here, you can take your arms out to the side, and we're gonna drop those knees over to one side, bring it back through center, drop those knees over to the other side, and back through center. Inhale over, exhale to lift. Inhale over, exhale to lift. So you might feel a nice release through the lower back as you drop those legs side to side. Do your best to keep those shoulders on the floor. If you want to challenge yourself, extend those legs long and take it into your full tick-tock here. Good, let's finish your last one. And bring it back in. Now you're going to separate those legs and place the ball in between your ankles. So from here, you're going to inhale for nothing, exhale, curl your head, neck, and shoulders off the floor. Stretch those legs long, or if you need to, just bend them. And then you're just going to lower those legs down together and up together, down together and up together. Lower and lift for your stack scissors. You have 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Hold it here. Rotate those legs around, curl up a little bit higher, and go again for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lift higher, grab the ball, split those legs, pass that ball through one leg, switch those legs, pass the ball through the other leg like a figure of 8. Curl up and pass, up and pass, up and pass, up and pass. Keep it going. Eight more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it in. Bend those knees, head down. All right, let's curl yourself up so that way we can place the ball behind your shoulder blades. Right at the bottom, the tip of the shoulder blades. And then you're going to extend your legs long and lie yourself down onto the ball. Hands will come behind the head. So you're gonna roll yourself back, open up through your chest and collarbones before we start, and then just lift yourself up into a nice neutral position. Inhale for nothing, exhale to curl lift. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up. Keep going. Now we're going to start to add that right leg. Reach it out, curl that right knee into tabletop. Out, curl that right knee in. Now hold your right knee in and pulse your chest and knee together. Pulse it in, pulse it in, pulse it in, pulse it in and squeeze. Now hold and freeze. Twist that left shoulder across to your right knee. Twist and unwind. Twist and unwind. Get into those obliques. Good, bring it back through center and release it down. Take a nice big stretch over the ball. Cross your left foot over the right. Curl yourself up and get ready to go on the second side. Exhale to curl up. Inhale to lower down. Up and down. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. We're going to keep this going, adding that left leg. Curl it in, stretch it out. Curl it in, stretch it out. Good, then hold that chest and knee together to pulse it
in and squeeze, pulse and squeeze. Good, keep it going. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hold. Now we're gonna twist across and release. Right shoulder to left knee. Release it. Twist. Square the chest off. Give me 2 more. I know it's burning. Bring it back through center and release it down. Take a nice big stretch, releasing those abs for a moment. Good. Inhale, exhale, curl yourself up, roll yourself all the way up. Now we're going to flip ourselves around. And we're going to place the ball underneath the ankles. So you're going to hold it here. Now you can lift up onto your hands and hold a high plank here, or to challenge yourself, you lower down onto your forearms and hold your plank here. Now wherever you are, I just want you to hold and breathe. And if you can, you rock yourself forward and back. Rock forward and back. Now hold it here and breathe. Last 4, last 3, last 2, and 1. Knees are down and release. Good. Let's release that ball, place it to the side, and we'll just lie down onto your front to take a nice abdominal release. Let's take the feet nice and wide, hands underneath your shoulders. I want you to inhale to lift yourself up. Look over one shoulder. Bring it back through center, look over the other shoulder, bring it back through center, and release to lower it down. And that is it. Well done, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me for this Pilates ball workout. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you felt how much deeper you can get into your core and also how you can kind of perfect your form and technique by using an extra piece of equipment. It's a great one. So let me know how you got on in the comments below. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button. I have new workouts every single Monday. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and for full-length workouts, you can support my channel and train with me on Patreon. Thanks so much for joining me, guys, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.